back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how I spent less than $50 at the grocery store, like I told you in my previous video. See right here we have some fresh honey wheat bread, some diced tomatoes.
I'm really gonna put that in my video.
My beautiful girl, chill, bro.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's starring Leah here, and if you saw my last video, I did mention to you guys in one of my tips to save money that if I go to the grocery store every week, I normally can spend $50 or less, just around $50. So today I went to the grocery store before it started pouring down, and I did spend, I got receipts for you guys. I spent $46.78, and I saved $3.89 today because I used my MVP card. I did shop at Food Line. I didn't really feel like going to several different stores, so I went to Food Line today and I saved about $3.89, which I still think is a pretty good deal for the things that I got. So if you're interested in seeing the food that I got, then keep watching this video. Start with the items that needs to go ahead and get in the freezer and refrigerator. So with that being said, my first item I got is butter pecan ice cream. And Turkey Hill is my favorite brand for butter pecan ice cream. If you guys haven't tried Turkey Hill's butter pecan, you are missing out because it is the best brand for butter pecan. And this ice cream was about $3.39. And I think for this video, I'm just gonna put the price of each item on the side for you guys. So I'm just gonna go through the items, and then when you see the video, you will see the price tag. So got some Turkey Hill ice cream. Can you put this in the freezer for me? And I did get some Yoplait strawberry yogurt, and I like to use yogurt to put in my smoothies. And as said before, I try to make my meals based on the foods that I still have in the refrigerator and freezer. So I have 2 bags of frozen fruit to use to make smoothies. So that's why I got some yogurt to put in my smoothies. And I am gonna do like some homemade pizza with some vegetables on top. So I got this thin pizza crust by Pillsbury. So I just got some pizza crust. And I grabbed a 99-cent bag of salad just because I knew I was going to the grocery store pretty late and I didn't think I was going to be in the mood to cook anything tonight. So I just got this bag of salad to make a salad tonight. I grabbed some spinach because I am doing some type of sandwich that calls for spinach. And this spinach is also going in my salad tonight because I like to put spinach in my salad just because I think it's a little bit more healthier option. And also I feel like I have another recipe that I'm doing later on this week that calls for spinach. So got me a container of spinach, and I do like to buy ingredients that I can use for more than one meal just to make sure I'm getting the use out of all of my food and I'm not wasting anything. So I got me some vegetables because I do have I think I'm doing a pasta recipe and some other things. So I got a green pepper, red pepper, a cucumber, especially for my salad tonight, some zucchini for my pasta dish, and I do have a yellow onion. Not for sure what dish is going in, but it is going in the dish because I wouldn't have picked it up if I didn't need it. And I grabbed me some pecans because I like to eat these as a snack, and I also like to put these on top of my smoothies sometimes just to get a little bit of crunch. And I am a fruit type of girl. I love fruits, and I already had like some bananas and some grapes here. So every time I go to the grocery store, I try to make sure that I'm picking up a new fruit. So today I got some peaches, and I grabbed some peaches just because they were on sale and I haven't had any peaches in a while, and I do like peaches. And I did get some more noodles because I needed some more noodles for my pasta dish. If you guys watched my last vlog, you know that I used the tricolor noodles to make my pasta salad, and I only had like a little bit of those left, so I just got me some more noodles for a different type of pasta dish, and it'll look more aesthetically appealing with the one color type noodles. And I got some crunchy tacos. And when I was in the grocery store, I had already picked up some taco seasoning and taco sauce. But I like these little taco kits right here because they already come with a pack of seasoning and your sauce. So you do get to save a little bit of money if you buy a taco kit with the sauce and seasoning already included. And of course I had to pick up some croutons to go in my salad. You guys, when I make salads, I like to put like a lot of ingredients in them just to make sure it is a little bit more tasty and not plain salad, if that makes sense. And I needed some more cheeses. So I got Parmesan cheese, some mozzarella cheese, and I also got some American cheese just to make my little sandwich. And as you guys see, it is nothing wrong with Food Line brand. You don't have to get Kraft all the time. And I also got some basil leaves. I'm not for sure what I needed basil leaves for. And I knew I had parsley flakes or something like that already, but I got some basil leaves because it's my boyfriend being worse one. I got some basil leaves for one of my dishes that I had to make. And also I got some diced tomatoes because I needed diced tomatoes for the pasta dish. I'm thinking, because I keep saying pasta dish, that pasta dish actually has a lot of ingredients for it. And I got some honey wheat bread. This bread was a little on the expensive side, but I'm trying to eat a little bit healthier. So I got this bread to make my sandwiches that I'm going to use the spinach for. I am that type of girl that don't like to drink water out of the faucet just because I feel like it has a weird taste. Even though some people are like, what is water? It all tastes the same. To me, water does not taste the same. Personally, I'm not a big fan of Dasani. I'm not a big fan of Aquafina. Like, certain water to me actually tastes nasty, and I like to get jugs of water just so I don't have to carry a big case of water to my apartment. And this jug of water is by Nature Place, and it's spring water. And yeah, I got 2 of these. Okay, so I also got some Sunny Delight just to drink with my breakfast in the morning because I already had eggs, grits, and those things already here. So I did need some juice for morning time just to get my little energy up. And I also like to use Sunny Delight in my smoothies as a juice. I used to use V8 Fruit Splash, Fruit Medley, I believe it's called. I used to use that juice in my smoothies, but I think Sunny Delight may be a healthier option because I have heard a lot of bad things about V8 juice. So I'm going to use this to put in my smoothies as well. So that concludes my little Food Line haul for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it helpful and encouraging to go out and buy your own groceries. And I will see you all in my next video. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the button below to subscribe to my channel, and also give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.